This is amazing. Cookie has never really played. He was watching Newman play with the ball, so he understood the assignment.
Okay, Cookie,
If you're new here, I have had Cookie for about 8 years, and he's disabled. Super shy and afraid of people mostly. Well, when he first got here, he was like that, and over the years, things have relaxed for him. I was so surprised last night when he started playing with the ball with me. At first I was like, is he mad or playing? Well, the first bat of the ball, I think he was a little irritated. But no, if I look at it now, he's playing. I guess he's just a grumpy player. It just shows you that it can take years and years for birds to flourish under your care, especially ones that have been abused. Trust takes so long to build. When he first came here, he was afraid of hands, and if he saw my hand, he would actually cringe like a beaten dog and roll on his back so I wouldn't touch him. And this is how far we have come. So I'll let you watch this. This is so cute.
No? Don't fall over. Good boy. You like that? Should we do a big pull it out farther? You're done? No? Okay, Cookie's done. Here's the babble ball. No? Let's see if Cookie wants it.